What up, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. If you don't know who I am, check out my other videos. A lot of good tips and tricks in the junk removal trade. And today we're talking about pros and cons in junk removal. Stuff that you like, stuff that you don't like. So I'm waiting on JoJo right now, and we're gonna break it all down to you guys. So stay tuned. So here is the JoJo, the one and only. So I just let them know that we're gonna break down all the pros and cons of junk removal, with the things that we like and the things that we don't like. But it's mostly things that we do like. So yeah, we're gonna head out and go do a job right now. And say hi, JoJo.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're heading on out, guys, and we're gonna break it all down to you soon. So I'm breaking these little sheds down and hauling them off. Pros about junk removal. Get to tear shit down. So here's another part of the job, guys. It's all this fencing back here. All I gotta say is easy money. Shouldn't take longer than 45 minutes to an hour to load everything up, plus the stuff on the other side of the house. Get to work out too. Another pro. Get to work out. You don't need no gym membership. Save money. So we just got done with that job. It took what?
Almost an hour.
Almost an hour. And the guy thought that it would be $100, but we had to let him know we can't do it for $100 and make profit. So anyways, we're gonna go over the pros and cons now. We're in the dump line, so this is trash talk in the dump line, guys, with Matthew, Vick, and JoJo. So I wrote some notes this time. I never do that. Most time it's just off the head. But here's my pros with junk removal, why I love it so much. Why are you laughing at me? It's not that funny. I wrote some notes. All right, you make great money, guys. If you do it right, within the first year after you doing it, you can make 6 figures easy. So that's another reason why I love junk removal. And you can set your own schedule. You ain't got to deal with clocking in and clocking out, rushing lunch breaks and all that stuff, guys. And also another thing that I like about it is there's no bullshit or no drama. You work for yourself, so you ain't got to hear no drama from no one else. And another thing is you get to resell stuff. So it's like a treasure hunt. You get to find stuff and you get to resell it. So that's extra money, more money, more money, more money. And another thing, you get to take breaks whenever you want to take breaks. And that's a big plus for me. I like to take a lot of breaks and eat a lot and take coffee breaks and do stuff like that. So yeah, it's another pro. And plus you get freedom. The American dream. You get to do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. So if you want to not work for a whole week and take a vacation and go hunting or fishing, or go out with your girl somewhere to Hawaii, like we're gonna go on vacation.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, it's a plus. You ain't gotta put in for time off or wait for your vacation time. You have freedom, guys. So now JoJo, what's your pros about junk removal?
Pros. Well, I have some. I might end up repeating some of yours, but the money's good. The money's really good, and it makes it to where you're not living paycheck to paycheck. Like, you can have money left over to do cool stuff. And let's see what else is super good. I love it because it's something different every day. Sometimes you don't even know what the job's going to entail, and it's kind of exciting. It's kind of like a treasure hunt every day. You never know what you're going to find and what you're going to get yourself into. Sometimes it's awesome, and other times it's like, oh, we got to do this today. I like that because some days are really challenging and some days are super easy. It's just really easy money. Let's see what else is awesome about junk removal.
Your outfit. Your outfit's awesome.
Oh, this?
Oh, yeah.
This thing?
This thing. Anything else that you think of?
Let's see. It's really cool when you're starting your own business to be able to like come up with your own name and your own logo, and I guess that's another form of freedom. You just can really be a unique individual with the cool things you come up with when starting your business.
Alright, now we're going to start with the cons, guys. Stuff that I do not like. First off, people you know will ask for discounts or expect you to do stuff for cheap. If it ain't a family member, I ain't going to do it for cheap because business is business, and that's how you got to keep it. And another con is you're going to be dealing with some maggots, some rats, some rodents, some rat shit, syringes, needles, all kinds of stuff. So be prepared for that. You know what I mean? It's going to be some difficult jobs sometimes that you just got to get in there and just get it done. And another thing, people will ask you for help to move. I get it all the time. People ask me, oh, you got a dump trailer, you mind helping me move? No, I don't do that. I've done it in the past, but I ain't going to do it no more. So that's another con. And also, it's a backbreaker. Sometimes you be out there, it ain't always easy money. Sometimes you be out there and it's a backbreaker. You'll come home, you'll be sore, you'll wake up, you'll be sore, but you know what? It pays good. And some people will waste your time. Like today, we went to go do a job. He thought it was gonna be $100 for a whole load back there. But you know what? I got the job anyways, and I made it right. I got paid. And another thing, weather. It's not like working at Safeway where you're in the air conditioning all day. Weather's gonna be hot some days, and it's gonna be cold some days, and it's gonna be wet some days. So that's another thing. Anything else? Let me see. No, that's about it. Yeah, you'll get a lot of calls from people asking for you to do stuff for them. They'll want a cheap price, but just keep business as business. And JoJo, what you gotta say about the cons?
You know, I don't think there's a whole lot of cons with this job. I don't really think there is. I don't know. Yeah, you have to deal with hoarder houses and
syringes.
That's nasty. I seen my first and only crack pipe at a job.
She's seen her first crack pipe, and she held it, guys. I had to slap it out of her hand.
I was like, is this what I think? I've never seen one before, and I don't know. Porta potty.
Porta potty, yeah.
Porta potties at the dump. They're the worst. And there's these little stickers that tell you when the porta potty was serviced, and sometimes it says that it was serviced at that day. And I'm looking around and I'm thinking, there's no way that this was serviced.
And she's hovering over it, guys, like a little person hovering over it.
They're really nasty, but you know, so you have to do that when you are doing junk removal, and you don't have you don't travel with the potty, so you have to use theirs. It's pretty nasty in there.
Anything else?
Cons, huh? What are we doing right now?
Waiting in the damn dump line, guys. So yeah, sometimes you'll go do a job real fast. It'll be a 20-minute pickup, but then you'll wait in the line for like an hour.
Yep.
And then you piss people off like this because I'm in his way now. But you know what? I'm not tripping, guys. I'm about to pull up for him. Oh no, he's gonna get through. Slide through, buddy. So yeah, there's pros and there's cons. So if you're thinking about starting a junk removal business, you could make some great money if you work it right. You gotta advertise, you gotta just use all the free platforms and just work hard. And I love what I do. I love waking up in the morning, heading out, helping people out, cleaning up properties. Some days are harder than others. Some days it's shorter than others. And some days you won't have no work that day, and then all of a sudden you make $1,000 that day because you just get a couple phone calls. Like I'm not supposed to work a day, and I'm like, I'm gonna take today off, and then all of a sudden I get a couple phone calls, and then I got $1,000 in my pocket. So that's why I love junk removal. So if you're thinking about starting a business, you could make some good money.
Yeah, junk removal's like anything in life. You're gonna get out what you put in. So if you put a lot into it, you're gonna get a lot out of it. And if you don't, then you won't.
And that's so true, guys. I'm Matthew Vick, and this is JoJo, the JoJo Lena.
Bye.
Like and subscribe and check out our other videos. And we'll be in this dump line for another 45 minutes probably, but that's all right, because we get money. We hauling and balling.
Hauling and balling.
Hauling and balling. Hit that like and subscribe button. Oh yeah.